Alright, so this week so far, this is the chassis, 76 Cougar. This is the body. Remarkably, we got all but one body bolt pulled out intact. Now I got it up on, I've got it a car again. Now we've got to fix the things we didn't get parts for. And there's some soft spots in the floor we got to deal with too. But this lets us really do our job. I'll get it balanced out and set properly so I can spin it all the way around where I need to tomorrow. It's 6 o'clock, my day's over. So, we've also got the hood. Just did a cursory strip so it can be blasted and profiled with the blast man, but it won't tear it up. That seems to be the best route to go in my experience. So yeah, we'll start getting these put together, all the things we got to do. The chassis will be taken and blasted, epoxied, and painted. It's in remarkable condition, so I'm really happy about that. We'll paint the undercarriage body color, I believe, and we'll drop it back on the chassis and commit the last of the body and paint work required, most likely. Mostly because I don't have a proper lift to lift the body and set on the chassis without scratching something if it were fully painted. That's my biggest concern right now. So, there it is.